Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Nomadic Sage. In this video, I'll be showing you all of the banknotes that are currently in circulation in Vietnam. So these are all of the denominations of Vietnamese dong at the time of making this video, which is year 2024, and I'll show you all of these notes one by one. So let's just get started. And firstly, what I like to show you is this note. This is the highest denomination that is currently in Vietnam. So this is 500,000 Vietnamese dong, or you can say 5 lakh Vietnamese dong as well. So this is a polymer note, you can see, and there are some security features here, like I believe that's the watermark, and we have the picture of Mr. Ho Chi Minh, the communist emblem, and a security window here, and at a certain angle of light the denomination number pop out. So this is how the banknote looks like from the back side. We have this picture, and then we have the second highest denomination note, which is 200,000 Vietnamese dong, or 5 lakh Vietnamese dong. So on this banknote we have somewhat similar looking design to 500,000. You can see that the communist emblem is at the same place, is the denomination at the same place, is a security window at the same place as well. Now this is the picture on the back side of 200,000 Vietnamese dong. So you can see that, and at the security window again we have the denomination at certain light angle. Also the denominations are printed here in normal ink as well. You can see this feature is here as well. So these are the two of the highest denomination notes in Vietnam. Then we have 100,000 Vietnamese dong, and this is how the notes look like. Again a polymer note, and this is similar in design to the other notes, and basically the security window again features the denomination numbers at certain light angle, and this is how the banknotes looks like from the back side. These are three of the highest denomination banknotes in Vietnam, and then we have 50,000 Vietnamese dong, and this is the note, and basically again it looks somewhat similar to the other designs, and this is the picture on the back of the 50,000. So this is again a polymer note, and the denomination number pop out at a certain light angle. We have the watermark and all of those security features as well. Then we have 20,000 Vietnamese dong. So again a polymer note with the watermark, the security window which has the denominations at certain light angle, and this is the picture on the back side of this note. So if you look at it, the color scheme of these notes follow a certain pattern, and that could create a confusion between 200,000 and 50,000 because the color scheme looks somewhat similar. This is sort of a reddish in color, this is also red but little pinkish hue. However, we have some blue pop out here which we do not see here, but yeah, I can see that how one might confuse between these two. However, the most confusion arrives between these two notes, which is the highest denomination 500,000 and 20,000. So you can see that while there are some design changes, like how the denomination is printed here on the top right side, and the use of different colors on denomination, and somewhat little bit of color pops that are present in this note but not here. However, at a certain distance, and especially if you're in a hurry and taking these notes out of your pocket, you can get confused between these two the most. Somewhat of a confusion could happen between these two notes, but that's more apparent between 500,000 and 20,000. So be careful when using the currency in Vietnam. Next we have this one. This is the 10,000 Vietnamese dong note, and this looks somewhat similar in design, and the color scheme is somewhat same, I would say, between 100,000 and 10,000. However, the use of brown, the heavy use of brown here, especially in the communist symbol here, the emblem, and the picture of Mr. Ho Chi Minh, it's quite hard to confuse between these two. But yeah, a little bit of confusion could happen in a hurry. This how this note looks like from the back, and again we have the security window with the denominations at certain light angle. So these were all the polymer notes that are currently in circulation in Vietnam. However, there are some paper notes as well of lower denomination, and these notes are generally not very useful on their own, but are used when you're making a payment which is not in a whole number. So these are 5,000, 20,000, and 1,000. So we have 5,000, we have 2,000, and we have 10,000 dong notes. So first look at 5,000, and this is one of the most unique notes in all of the series. And why I'm saying that is because the emblem, the communist emblem, is on the extreme left side, and you can see that while on other notes it is on the left side, but it is also somewhat centered. This one is on the left side. Then we have this circular frame on the picture of Mr. Ho Chi Minh. Then the denomination is on the exact center on this note, which is not present on any of the notes of Vietnamese dong. So this is a paper note. So there are no security windows, but we do have these security features where two patterns line up when you held them against the light. So that is there. So this is a paper note of 5,000 dongs. Then we have 2,000 dong note, and this is again somewhat similar to the polymer notes, and this again features a picture of Mr. Ho Chi Minh, and on the back side this is the picture of some ladies working on a factory. So that's how this note looks like 5,000 note. The picture is somewhat more detailed than what we saw on the polymer notes. And lastly we have 1,000 dong note. This is the lowest denomination that is currently in circulation, and this is the picture at the back. So these are all of the Vietnamese dong note that are currently in circulation in Vietnam. So that was the video, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting video in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, take care, and bye.